Okay, you might have noticed, if you can zoom in on it at all, it's wired for front and rear. And trans, I guess, is transformer. But there are wires for both front and rear. You may have also noticed that's the only one that gets activated. I probably shouldn't be touching a live circuit here. Yeah. Ooh. That's the rear. And I went out back and I didn't find one, really. I found a plug and a plate that could well have once been a rear doorbell ringer. But my suspicion is that because the back is an add-on to the house, that they ripped out what was the rear doorbell. Anyway, that's the big mystery of what was behind this little event. Never felt air coming out of it, and Jim, whose house this is, I believe said he didn't know. And I shined a light in there last night and I saw some circuitry, so of course I had to find out. And there's the big mystery, it's the freaking doorbell. There you have it.